This is a Hero Hair custom cosplay wig spotlight of our exclusive refresh, reset, and restyle crewing services of one of our signature client builds, the Archer of the Dawn. Be sure and check out the second video in this post's carousel for complete details of how Hero Hair not only builds your custom wig, but maintains it just like we do in the motion picture and television industry, for free, for life. This faithful reproduction custom wig is built on a handmade professional-grade movie foundation complete with our exclusive invisible HD high-definition forehead film lace, the very same lace we use in the motion picture and television industry. The selected mixtures of these hand-dyed lots of our exclusive HD synthetic fibers and human hair were hand-blended with low lights to highlights and slight temperature variations as the Hero Hair team matched the game's color, texture, and screen-accurate hairline, all signature to this now iconic character, to successfully bring her to screen-accurate life.